Screwdriver kit. Here's the screwdriver. It's got a batch head thing that extends out. We'll put it back in. And it's magnetized. I'll take one of the 58 screwdriver bits, and if I put it in, it stays in. It's magnetic. Pull it out. Here's the extender. It's flexible. See? So we take this out and put the flexible extender in. And if you have a tight space, you can use it like that. There's also this pouch with 21 repair tools in it. Notably is this anti-static wrist strap. Put this on your wrist and put it to what you're working on, and it is grounded and you don't have to worry about shorting it out. And 20 other tools in here are also really useful. Various tools for working on phones or iPods or iPads or Nintendos and games and such like that. So, for example, these you can use to pry your screen, and these are picks that you use to wedge in there to keep it out when you're working on it. Various other picks and wedges and such. And then, so just to show how the screwdriver works, got my glasses here. You can unscrew it nice and easily. It has this little pad that you stick your hand on so that you can turn the screwdriver. Pull the screw out, and it's out. Anyway, there it is. That's our screwdriver kit.